Good evening and welcome to the Daily News Roundup with Daily Mirror Online. You're with me, Bhakti Abe Surya. Let's take a look at our headlines. A batch of 400,000 Pfizer vaccines flown in. Cabral's 6-month roadmap for stability to be unveiled tomorrow. Colombo restaurants likely to request vaccine cards. No interprovincial trains, buses for another 2 weeks from tomorrow. State services to resume from tomorrow. Parliament to meet 5 days next week. Now diving into those stories in detail. The airport duty manager stated that a consignment of 400,000 doses of Pfizer vaccine vials has been flown into the country by Emirates Airways Air Cargo. He said the consignment weighing 5,356 kilos touched down at the BIA around 2:15 a.m. packed in 77 cartons. The vaccine doses are stored at the freezer facility at the airport cargo village. Newly appointed Central Bank Governor Ajit Nivard Cabral will unveil the 6-month roadmap for ensuring macroeconomic and financial system stability on Friday, the 1st of October 2021. The event will be held at the atrium of the Central Bank and the proceedings will commence at 10 a.m. The presentation by the Governor will be live streamed on YouTube and Facebook. Colombo restaurants are likely to request customers to produce their vaccination cards when looking to dine in the future. Harper Gunaratna, president of the Colombo City Restaurant Collective, stated that the idea has been discussed among restaurant operators in Colombo. He said that furnishing the vaccination card would give confidence to the customers patronizing a restaurant. State Minister of Transport Dilu Mamunukama stated that no interprovincial trains and bus services for another 2 weeks, even after lifting the quarantine curfew on the 1st of October. The decision was taken following a special discussion with Minister of Finance Basil Rajapaksa yesterday. As such, only buses will run within the provinces, but no trains, the State Minister said. Minister of Public Services, Provincial Councils and Local Government Janaka Bandara Tennakun stated that while giving priority to essential services, the government has decided to resume state services from tomorrow. He said the ministry is hoping to resume state services as usual. A special discussion on this matter was held with the Minister of Finance Basil Rajapaksa yesterday, and a circular will also be issued today. Chief Government Whip Johnston Fernando stated that leaders of political parties representing Parliament has decided to hold sittings for 5 days next week. Parliament sessions will be held on the 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th and the 8th of October next week after the lockdown has been lifted. For further details on the stories, visit our website www.dailymirror.lk. Thank you for tuning in. I'm Bhakti Abe Surya and this is the Daily News Roundup.